And now mga langga, I am cooking the most delicious chicken macaroni salad. Ayan. So now I'm done with everything. All the ingredients is in here already. Mixed up. And the last one, we have to put the raisins. Ayan, ang daming raisins. You want more raisins?
Don't put too many in there.
Don't put too many. Okay.
Good.
So ayaw ni Roberto ng masyadong maraming raisins. So I put some of those raisins in here. And we have to mix it again. Diba? Napakasarap. This is most requested recipe for today. Chicken macaroni. Diba? So itatanong nyo kung ano-ano mga ingredients. So unang-una, syempre macaroni. And then chicken. No? Hinimay-himay na chicken. Pakuluan mo yung chicken. And then pagluto na, himay-himayin mo. And then mix it with this. Pakuluan mo rin yung macaroni until it becomes soft. And then himay-himayin mo yung chicken. I-mix mo yung chicken with this macaroni at saka yung carrot. Pakuluan mo ng mga 2 minutes ang carrot. And put it here. And then after that, you have to put the other ingredients. No? The chicken, the macaroni. Ilagay mo yung yung all-purpose cream. Ayan, all-purpose cream. Yung milk na condensed. And of course, yung mayonnaise. Ayan, i-mix mo siya all together. Lagyan mo ng sibuyas na maliliit ang hiwa. Lagyan mo siya ng ayan, sweet salad sauce. Mount Olive. Ito yung cucumber vine. Sarap din siya. No? Yummy. And so, let's check kung gaano talaga siya kasarap para malaman natin ang lasa. May nakalimutan pa ako. Pineapple crunch. Pineapple tidbits. Wala pang pineapple. Masarap na. Lagyan mo siya ng keso. Ang sarap! Oh my God! First time kong gumawa nito. Ang sarap pala ng chicken salad, macaroni, no? Oh my God! Grabe! Lahat, can you bring me the pineapple tidbits, please? Ang sarap mga langga! OMG! Napaka-perfect and for sure your kids will love it. No? Ang sarap niyan. Matagal-tagal to, no? Kasi marami akong niluto. Yan. Ang sarap. May keso na siya, may raisins na siya, and then yung na lang, yung pineapple tidbits na lang ilagay natin. Diba? So once again, that's all we have in here right now. So all you have to do is just to add pineapple tidbits and you have the finished product of macaroni chicken salad. I love you. Thank you so much and God bless. Makulay na buhay, USC Life.